Hey, let's go. Freedom.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. Okay. You see it. Anyway, if you want to know who's that girl, stay tuned, okay? Because I'm going to give you all her sneaky deaky details, you feel me? And if you already like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, so every time I upload a baddie like this one, you guys can get notified. And for the rest of y'all who've been here and know what we about to do, let's just go ahead and get into this video, girl, because I know you can't wait to know who she is. Because baby, she's giving all looks. She's giving what needs to be gave. Okay. All right, let's go. All right, folks, let's get into Miss Thing's details, okay? I got this unit off of wigtypes.com. This is a Janet Collection wig. Yes, I said Janet Collection and not Ultra. Okay, so she's a Janet Collection wig, and her name is Kendall, and I got her in the color M.BLYG Caramel. Now, the start card reads as so. She is pre-plucked, pre-customized. She has a natural hairline, 100% hand-tied 13x6 frontal. She has an adjustable elastic wig band. She's pre-installed, and she came with baby hairs. See, that is it. She's a standard 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. Told you about the adjustable straps as well as the elastic band. The front of the card looks like so. This is her in the middle part, and in the side part, it shows you the natural hairline, the difference between theirs and others, and just a whole bunch of other information. On the back shows the many colors that she comes in. If you can see, you can see. I'll make it up close. It says this HD lace will take your look to new heights. If you are a lover of wigs, lace fronts, you will find this to be your new favorite. The HD lace was created to be transparent, easy to apply, unclockable. Wear your wigs confidently without the fear of having your lace shown, because the HD lace has problem solved. Kendall is definitely big head friendly. She's a standard wig, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, as well as the elastic band that looks like a bra strap. I'm gonna put a picture up here somewhere. I've never seen that before, but it seems to work, and you can adjust it to your size. So if you have a small dome, she can fit. If you got a bigger dome, you can either take it off or use the last latch on it, and you are good to go. Because trust me, my head is big as hell, and this fits pretty good. Like, it doesn't feel snug. I don't feel like I'm gonna have a headache by the end of the day or anything. So she came with a lot of baby hairs that I did not use because I'm over the baby hairs, folks. Like, I like to show my forehead. That's what we're doing all for the rest of 2022. She blends very well. You can do I did a side part. You can do a middle part with her. You can see right here, if you want to wear her as a middle part, you can. I'm not going to go ahead and mess this up because I like the way it looks. She is just a beautiful wig. Like, would I buy her again? I'm trying to think really hard if I would buy her again, only because of the shedding. And I feel like her curls don't want to stay. I feel like by the end of the whatever event that I will have or go to with this, as you can see, look, this curl right here is supposed to be flippy and doing some things, and it's not. So I don't know if it would stay. That's the problem I have. Like, maybe if I go, she's actually heat safe up to 400 degrees. So I'm feeling like maybe if I went and I curled her myself, and bumped her and sprayed her, she would probably stay. This is like straight out the box, just me brushing her, and that's it. Her texture is similar to going to the Dominicans and getting a blowout. Like, if I had hair this long, you know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, she's just gorgeous. The color is nice. She is a really beautiful wig. Girl, where would I wear her to? Where wouldn't I wear her to? I must be seen in this. You hear me? She's being like, I should be going to a premiere or something with her. That's what she's giving. Cocktail dress, all black affair. Oh yeah. Cocktail dress, all black affair. Okay, Miss Janet collection, Kendall. She is a 10 in my book. Like, she's giving all types of life. The only con that I have from her is the fact that she definitely sheds a lot. Like, ooh wee, she sheds. But other than that, and then her curls might not stay, but then I can fix that if I actually bump it and curl it myself. But other than that, she is giving, I'm feeling like I'm in my 20s and my boobies still are perky and up. Instead of slumping and down. Alright folks, so that's all I have on Miss Kendall. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And comment and let me know where you would wear her to. What event would you take Miss Kendall to, especially in this color? Because, oh, baby, I didn't even have to channel my inner RuPaul this time. You know what I'm saying? She just did it for me. She just did it for me. And I hope she did it for you. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.